fisherman's net. Do you remember this awesome game to practice numbers? So, fisherman's net. Oh, Heather, you with me?
Yes.
You guys are the fish. Go over there. Okay, let's agree on a number.
4.
4. Okay. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! Alice with us. Okay, so let's agree on a number. What number? 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh! Hey! We won. We're so good at it. Now, let's adapt a fisherman's net into a penguin escape. Yeah. All right, penguin. So, with penguin escape, we're gonna use the penguin song where we do. Let's do it all together. All right. Right flipper.
Right flipper.
Left flipper.
Left flipper.
Right foot.
Right foot.
Left foot.
Left foot.
Bob your head.
Bob your head.
Stick out your tongue.
Stick out your tongue.
Okay. So, Heather and I,
Yes.
we're going to agree. Okay. You guys are the penguins. Okay, say, we are the penguins!
We are the penguins.
Definitely penguins.
Don't forget to waddle. Yeah.
Okay, so, what? Bob your head. Okay. Bob. Okay. And right flipper, left flipper,
Right foot.
left foot, bob your head. Oh! Okay.
Okay.
Then let's do left flipper, left flipper.
Okay.
And right flipper, left flipper. Oh! How lucky was that? We got everyone. But, so in a big group, you separate in 2 teams, and at some point you don't have to have everyone in the circle, but you change the team. You make sure that some kids are the zookeeper and some kids are the penguins. Okay? Have fun. Bye.